Trying to create an Argos Pay account but don't know where to start? Maybe you're wondering, can anyone apply? What documents do you need? Will checking your eligibility affect your credit score? And what if your application gets declined? If you have these questions, you're not alone. Because creating an Argos Pay account is more than just filling out a form, there are a few important requirements and steps you need to know before you apply. In this video, I'll explain exactly how the Argos Pay application process works, who is eligible, what information you'll need, the benefits, the common problems applicants face, and what happens after your application is approved. So before you open the application page, let's understand what you should expect throughout the entire process. What is Argos Pay? Let's begin with a simple question. What exactly is Argos Pay? Many people assume it's just another payment app. But that's not really the case. Argos Pay is a digital credit account designed for eligible UK customers. Instead of paying the full price for eligible purchases at once, it gives approved customers different ways to spread the cost over time. That sounds useful, but does it mean everyone should apply? Not necessarily. Before deciding, it's worth understanding both the benefits and the potential drawbacks. Why do people use Argos Pay? So why has Argos Pay become a popular option for many shoppers? The biggest reason is flexibility. Rather than paying the entire amount immediately, eligible customers can spread the cost into manageable payments. Depending on the purchase and eligibility, there may also be buy now, pay later offers on selected products. Some purchases may qualify for fixed monthly installment plans, making repayments more predictable. Others may prefer the flexible credit option, where they can pay the minimum amount, pay extra, or clear the full balance whenever they choose. Another advantage is account management. Once registered, users can manage their account online, check their available credit, view payment history, monitor upcoming payment dates, and track their balance, all in one place. At first glance, everything sounds straightforward. But here's the question many first-time applicants don't ask. What could go wrong? Common problems applicants face. Although the application itself is online, there are several situations that can confuse first-time users. One common issue is assuming approval is guaranteed. In reality, every application is assessed, and not everyone is approved. Another situation happens after approval. Some applicants don't receive their welcome email straight away. That email contains the account number and the online registration number, often called the ORN. Without those details, registering the account becomes difficult. If the email doesn't appear, checking the spam or junk folder is usually the first step. If it's still missing, applicants can request the ORN again. Another issue involves repayments. Some people believe setting up a direct debit works immediately, but it can take several working days to become active. If a payment is due before then, a manual payment may still be needed. There's another important point many people overlook. Promotional offers such as buy now, pay later usually come with specific terms. If the balance isn't cleared within the promotional period, interest may apply to the remaining amount. So before applying, it's a good idea to understand not only the advantages but also how the account works. Now let's answer the next big question. Who is actually eligible to apply? Who can apply? Before starting the application, there are a few basic requirements. Applicants must be at least 18 years old. They must have lived in the UK for at least 1 year. A valid UK mobile number is required. A valid email address is also required, and applicants shouldn't already have an Argos card or an existing Argos Pay account. Here's another detail worth knowing. The initial eligibility check is designed to help determine whether it's worth continuing and doesn't affect your credit score. However, choosing to continue with the full application may involve a full credit assessment. Meeting these requirements doesn't automatically guarantee approval, but they are the starting point for applying. So if you're eligible, what information should you have ready? Many people expect to upload several documents during the application. But in most cases, that's not how the process works. Instead, applicants are normally asked to provide information such as their full name, date of birth, current UK address, how long they've lived there, mobile number, email address, employment details, income, and regular monthly expenses. This information is used to assess identity and affordability. Having these details ready before you begin can make the application smoother. Now let's walk through what generally happens during the application itself, how the application process works. The process usually begins with an online eligibility check. If the basic requirements are met, applicants continue to the main application. They'll then be asked to enter their personal details, followed by their address information and financial details such as employment, income, and monthly expenses. Before submitting the application, it's important to review everything carefully. Even small mistakes in personal information can sometimes delay processing. Once the application is submitted, many applicants receive a decision almost immediately. If approved, a credit limit is assigned based on the assessment. Soon afterwards, the applicant receives an email containing two important details, a 16-digit account number and an online registration number, or ORN. These are needed for the next stage. What happens after approval? Approval isn't the final step. It's actually the beginning of setting up the account. Using the account number and ORN from the welcome email, applicants can register through the Argos Pay app or the online account manager. After creating their login credentials, they'll be able to access their account dashboard. From there, they can monitor their balance, available credit, payment plans, statements, and repayment schedule. Most users also choose to set up a direct debit to help automate monthly payments, although manual payments remain available as well. At that point, the account is ready to use for eligible purchases. So, creating an Argos Pay account isn't just about filling in an online form. It starts with understanding the eligibility requirements, knowing the benefits, being aware of the common problems, preparing the right information, completing the application accurately, and finally, registering the account after approval using the account number and online registration number. Understanding the process beforehand can make the experience much smoother and help avoid unnecessary surprises. Now here's one final question for you. If you were eligible to apply today, would the flexibility of spreading payments make Argos Pay worthwhile for you, or would you still prefer paying in full upfront? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple, easy-to-understand tech explainers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.